Orienteering. Orienteering in map follows the IOF rules. Preparations for the orienteering are kept secret from the competitors and all other personnel who are engaged in the teams, except the technical jury. The checkpoints are verified by the president of MAP or anyone he appoints 2 days prior the contest. They must be clearly visible in the terrain and there is no limit of checkpoints defined. Normally, it is 10 to 15 for male and 8 to 12 for female participants. The map scale is 1 for 10,000, and preferably virgin or quite unknown from all the athletes. The day before the event, the map is put available to the participating nations. The checkpoint symbols are not given. At one or several checkpoints, depending on the weather, soft drinks should be available for the competitors. The estimated winning time in orienteering should be 45 minutes for men. For women, the track should be approximately 20% shorter, and the estimated winning time will be around 40 minutes. The starting interval is normally 3 minutes between each competitor, or 2 minutes in case of 2 competitors doing the obstacle run at the same time. When the period of time has elapsed, normally about 2 hours, the finish control is closed and the competitor is disqualified. All precautions to avoid difficulties and accidents must be taken by the organizers, such as search and rescue. The athlete is allowed to use only a compass and a map. The head of the referees, along with 2 referees in the start line, 1 in the finish line, and 2 auxiliaries to report results normally compose the referee team. Each control has 1 device to check if the athlete is the correct order. This device can be manual, like an orienteering punch, or electronic, like a Sport Ident or EMIT systems. Aiming at following the precise position of the athlete in the terrain, the organization of the event may use a GPS track system and present to the spectators on a screen board. Similarly to the obstacle run, 1,000 points is given by the average of the best 20% athletes. Thereafter, each minute up or down corresponds to less or more points respectively. Result system. The results system used in MAP is a simple access program available to all nations. Each competition is registered as well as the composition of each team. The performance are the input of the system and the results are the output. The system automatically calculates the number of points obtained according to MAP regulations, and the final list of individual and team classification are printed and spread to all participants. Due to the system of points in obstacle run and in orienteering, in which the number of points per athlete directly depends on the best 20% results, and also considering the discard of the lowest performance, the final results are often full of expectancy and suspense. For this reason, a computerized system displays the results in real time, bringing a lot of excitement for athletes and the audience, who remain plugged on until the last arrival in orienteering.